Today I'm running the computer store by myself. The boss is gone for the day, and the agenda for the day is shouldn't be too bad. I've got 2 computers to repair. This one here is randomly rebooting. I gotta figure out why. And this machine out here, the owner thinks was hit by lightning. I don't think it was. So we're gonna try to figure out why it's not booting up consistently. It boots sometimes. I think it needs to be blown out. Yep. This is the layer of dust just everywhere. This is the machine that the client just called me on, brought it in, and he's getting a diagnostic message as soon as he turns it on, which is generally not a good sign. It immediately says, what you don't ever see, boot device not found. Please install an operating system. He either is having a bad hard drive or a formatted hard drive. Each day I've been drinking the colas I bought over in Oklahoma. We have all these brands that I've never had before. These 2 are not bad. These 2. This one was not even, I couldn't finish this one. It tasted so badly. Jones Cane Sugar Cola. Let's see how this goes. It's okay. So here's a reason to always have a backup of your data. He did not, and he lost everything on this hard drive. There's nothing on this drive. Finished testing this computer, finished testing that computer. He still is rebooting, but pretty sure it's his hard drive. We just have to swap this drive out and see if it stops, which I think it will. She's done. She's ready to go tomorrow, and I think that'll do it. It is now 6 o'clock.